In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a discount code in a welcome email using Klaviyo and Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce business owner or you're just getting started, sending a warm welcome email to your subscribers is a fantastic way to create a connection right from the start. Plus, who doesn't love a good discount code, right? So let's dive in and get this going smoothly. First, you'll want to open Klaviyo and head over to Flows. This section is essentially the heartbeat of your email marketing automation, where you'll set up and manage all your email sequences. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Create Flow. This initiates the setup for a new email sequence. You'll notice an option for Welcome Series. This is your go-to choice, especially when you're aiming to greet newcomers with a special offer. Select your subscriber list, the one you want this particular flow to reach, and then click Create Flow again. It's that simple. You've now set the foundation for your welcome sequence. Next up, you'll see the structure of your flow. Here, click on the first email in the sequence. This is where you can really get creative. Hit edit, and this will take you to the email editor where all the magic happens. Within the email editor, you want to focus on adding a personal touch that captures the attention of your new subscribers. This is where the discount code comes in. Insert a text block and craft a simple message like use code WELCOME10 or whatever your chosen discount code is. It's a straightforward step, but remember, clarity is key. Your subscribers should know exactly what to do with that code. While you're here, take a moment to customize the rest of the email, add in your logo for brand recognition, craft a friendly greeting that resonates with your brand's voice, and maybe even add a call to action button that stands out. This not only makes the email visually pleasing, but also enhances the overall experience for your subscribers. Okay, once you're happy with the edits, hit done. You'll then review everything to ensure all elements are in place, look for any typos or errors, then it's time to bring your flow to life by clicking review and turn on. Just like that, your flow is up and running. From now on, whenever someone subscribes to your list, they'll receive this personalized welcome email complete with the enticing discount code. It's a great way to engage them from the get-go and encourage them to make that first purchase. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to send a discount code in your welcome emails using Klaviyo and Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to craft engaging content that leaves a lasting impression. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.